Hi, sorry I haven't made videos in, for a long, quite a while, but I was fixing my car, so I replaced the head gasket in my BMW. I bought a new lock today. It is this Stanley Kwikset series 40mm security rating for all-weather marine, also little padlock, and it has chrome plating, double locking ball, anti-pick pin, and it is waterproof or water resistant. So yeah, here is the little diagram about. There is 22mm shackle, the middle of the shackle, and it shows this is 6-pin, but I think this is only 5 if I remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 pins. So a little bit misleading there, but yeah, it doesn't matter. So yeah, let's pick this open. I'm using top of the keyway tensioning and this standard hook in 15,000s from the Tensorfield Praxis big set. And fitting is it is actually pretty decent. Low ones here and high ones on the back. I can feel spool pins there. Okay, a little bit of fault set now, and it's open. So yeah, this was my third time opening this lock, and it is not that difficult, so not very big resistance, but it doesn't really advertise it being high security. It says it's quite low security rating, but all in all, actually we're pretty nicely made little padlock. The core is pretty soft, but yeah, better than many Chinese locks I have seen. So yeah, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you really like this video, and bye.